What's up, guys? It's Binary Mastermind here with you once again, and today, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys a very profitable trading strategy. I'm currently in a trade right now on USD Canadian, USD CAD. Let me just show you guys. I'm in this trade right now. At the moment, it's out the money, but we wait for next 5 minutes and see how this trade plans out. How it turns out. Now, before I do explain how the strategy works now, if you guys are brand new to my channel, please, I really appreciate, guys, if you guys subscribe to my channel, as I'll be pointing out more content like this on a regular basis. Well, at least I will try to anyway. If you find that this video was very helpful for you guys, please leave a like on this video, because that does help very much, guys. Now, before you guys do start trading, I want all of you to always go onto this website right here. So check out this website right here before you even start to trade. Let me load it up. It's called myfxbook.com. I already have it saved as one of my tabs over here. And it's already saved for me. Now, if you're quite new, what would happen is you just go onto the website, you just type in myfxbook.com, or you can type it in Google. You click enter. We'll just wait for this to load up a little bit. And you'll be brought to this page right here. Now, what I want you guys to do is to hover on the home page. It will bring you down to these. You get like 4 selections here. I want you guys to go into the economic calendar. Click the economic calendar, and you brought to this page here. That's the page that I've saved. You guys can actually go ahead and save that to your booklet or something, and so that in your favorites or something, so that whenever you want to come back onto it, you just click on it and you don't have to type the website anymore. Now, what I want you guys to do is to always go into the current time. So here we have in the next 30 minutes, there's going to be some major news. So what we're going to do is avoid trading anything that has Aussie USD. Anything that Aussie USD, avoid trading. So Australian dollar, avoid trading the Australian dollars because there's going to be a high volatility in the market. Now, what I would say is avoid trading completely, because when one asset is quite high volatile, and it's actually likely for the majority of the assets to be quite volatile as well, because most of the currencies that do affect with each other, one reacts and the other one has a reaction as well. So what I would say is, guys, what do you guys want to avoid is avoid trading as high movements. I'm talking to the beginners and the pros as well. If you guys are confident that you can trade in these market conditions, go ahead, trade if you feel so. I'm not advising you to trade. I'm just saying it's best to avoid these markets now, because for one, the market is going to be very volatile. You may win a trade by a lot, you may lose a trade by a lot. So I would say avoid trading in this period of time. Good times to trade, see when there is low movement in the market. You get also medium movement in the market. That is a great time to trade. You want to avoid trading if you get none. Avoid trading, or it says a gray bar like this and it has none. You want to avoid trading for that particular hour. So tomorrow at 1 o'clock, I'm not going to trade at all. Pretty much, I normally trade earlier than that anyway. So you want to stop. Don't trade for maybe the next hour or so, or until the market gets quite good momentum market. So now there's medium volatility, low volatility. That's great. Now, once you've checked this website and you see that everything it's good to go, you want to go right around. You want to go into your template right here, guys. I will be giving out this template for absolutely free of charge, guys. I'm not going to be charging a penny. Just email me and I'll give you the strategy. I'll show you how to get a strategy for absolutely free of charge, guys. Right now on my IQ options platform, this is what I use to trade binary options. I've put $1,000 on this particular trade right here. I use 0.3% on my account per trade, because I do Martin go up to 3 times. Then I stop at the 3rd time or the 4th time, depending on how I feel, how confident I am with the next setup. Now, guys, I can't stress enough, guys. You guys have to stop at the 3rd martingale. What you do is stop at the 3rd martingale and you stop trading for the rest of the day. Now, why I say this is because, okay, now this trade's about to lose it. Okay, now I'm gonna re-enter again for the next 5 minutes. As soon as you lose a trade, you want to enter again for the same direction to the upside for 5 minutes again. Straight away. You don't hesitate, guys. Just take it straight away. As soon as you see it, take it straight away. that trade sort of came in, but because of it was just out by just a little bit. Now I'm actually playing it very, very safe. I'm using less than maybe 2%, less than 1%, half a percent of my account. But we're gonna wait and see what happens to this trade, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay. Okay then guys, as you can see now, this trade is currently out of the money and it's about to lose. Like I said guys, you don't win every single trade. You can't win every single trade. It's pretty much not impossible, but most of the time you would win. Most of the trades are gonna come in the money in the long run. Not every day is a good day. Yesterday was a bad day for myself. Actually, it was a good day. It was bad at first, but then it became a good day. I did put a lot of risk out there, but it became a very, very profitable day for myself. I did finish off my training for today. Today has been a fairly decent day for myself. Managed to make a 6% increase in my account, which is really, really good. You don't want to over risk on your account, guys. If you see that your trade is not coming in the money, what I'm actually going to do is just to lower my risk. I'm actually going to close this trade and only lose. I'll get back is it 3,000 back, 300 back, sorry. And on Martingale, once again, and at this point now, I'm actually making a lot more profit because I'm actually saving my account. So guys, if you see that a trade is coming out of the money, the good thing IQ option has this sell feature. This feature, this is a sell feature right here. You can just click here, it sells the trade for you. So if I was to sell the trade now, I would lose 3,200 or something like that, right? At the previous trade you just seen that I just closed right now. I invest 250. I only lost about 2,244 and 28 dollars and 38 cents. So I just probably saved around 60, just 260 or something like that. Or just 260. If this trade does come in, I'm gonna recoup some losses and I save the 260. That's gonna even put me into more profit because I save more money than I risk out there. So you want to use this sell feature as much as you can. It's very, very good, guys. And remember, guys, you want to stop at the third martingale to the fourth. Now, if you guys are not sure what martingale is, and not, not concerned, you want to know how it works. You don't, guys. You guys don't have to martingale. I'm not saying you guys all martingale. I'm saying you can if you want to, if you feel like to. But if you are going to martingale, start with 0.3% of your account. So if you start with $1,000 in your account, it stands up by 0.3% of your account. That would be $3, I believe. There you go. Oh, not 30. It's going to be $3 for 0.3% of your account is going to be $3 out of 1,000. And what you want to do is, if you lose that trade, your next trade is going to be 2.5 times bigger. So next trade is going to be times that by 2.5. That's going to be next trade 7.50 cents. Times that again. Next trade is going to be 18.75. Times that one more time. That's going to be 46.87. Let's see. That's your first martingale, second martingale, your third martingale. You can go up to your fourth martingale, but that's pushing it. I would advise everyone to stay at the third martingale and stop for the day. And I wouldn't advise anyone to really go to the fourth martingale until you're 100% sure that this trade is going to come in. There are going to be times you are going to lose trades anyway, so there's no point over risking your account for no reason. I mean, the payout on it, if you win this trade here, what it is, if you win this trade here, say for example you win this trade here, right? And with IQ option, they have very, very high payouts, 87%. Sometimes it goes up to 91%. And right now it's quite early for me, but around 1 o'clock it gets really, really high, 90%, 91%. It's really, really good. If I was to let's see, times up by points 80, is it 87 right now? Is it 87? 87, yeah, 87%, right? My payout would be 101 and 95 cents. So what takeaway? The $3 I lost. Let's work this out, guys. Take away the $3 I lost. Take away the $7.5 I lost. Take away the 18.75. Take away the 46.87. There you go. I make a $25.83 profit. Now, guys, what I would say is that's going to be a profit because this is what you're going to get back as a profit, and this is what you're going to keep. You're going to get this money back anyway, because so long as the trade is successful, and it comes in your favor, that money you keep, this is what you profit, right? And out of this money that you profit, this is what you're gonna gain as a profit, right? So that's about, let's see, divide that by $3. That's about 8 times your first trade. So in a sense, you're making 8 times your first trade if you martingale up to 4 times, 3 times or so. But guys, it is quite risky. Bear in mind, it is risky. That's why I say stop at the third martingale. You're not always going to win every trade. You're not always going to lose every trade. So if you're losing 3 trades in a row, that means that the market isn't a good to trade that day. So I would say take the loss, take the hit, and call it a day. Come back the next day, start again. Okay, guys. If there's anything, guys, any questions you guys have, don't feel free. You can email me, leave a comment in the description down below if there's anything you guys are concerned about. And let me know, guys. I want to know what you guys are thinking. Okay. This trade does look like it's going to be in the money. Now, guys, to increase your winning percentage, right? Okay. What I would say is, if price, you see how the price is, as you can see, that trade did come in the money. That's great. As you can see, I didn't have to win every single trade for me to still make a profit. I lost my first one. I lost my second one, but I won my third. Was this my third one? I think this was my second one, wasn't it? This is my second martingale. This was my second martingale. Yeah, this is my first martingale. My second martingale came in the money. You see, most of the time it's the second, but sometimes it gets really messy and it goes up to the, I think it goes up to the third. Sometimes the fourth. Sometimes I have went up to the fourth martingale at times. Sometimes it's 1. The majority of the times it's 1, but there are times where it doesn't actually win. You just lose. So if you keep on martingaling, you can go up to martingale up to 8 times, and you can lose, guys. It's possible. That's why I say just minimize your losses. And on good days, maximize your profit. Take more trades, okay? Guys, like I said, if the trade, if the market is below, okay, if the market is above this 200 period moving average right here, if the market crosses above this line right here, this line right here, this 200 period moving average, you want to take only call trades, right? Call trades, no trade here. And those trades are more high probability than the put trades. Why? Because the market is technically in an uptrend, right? Vice versa, if the price breaks below this 200 period moving average, any trade you get to the put side, put will pretty much come in the money. Now, with the system, you can take as much as 5% of your account. Don't take more than 5%. But if you do this like sort of trading method, do not, and I mean do not martingale. Okay, guys, do not martingale if you're gonna use this method. But if you want to use it as confirmation, do it as you will, guys. Right now, let me try and find a trend market. Okay, exactly. Now this one here is broken. It's broken this 200 period moving average. It's come to the downside. Put nicely down. Put come down. Every single put pretty much comes well in the money. Every single put. Now it breaks a bit up above it now. Now you're looking for just calls now. Call. It breaks now. Sometimes it gets messy, but that would have pretty much won, I believe. I think that would have won. It was a bit messy here, but it would have came in the money. Now, guys, the good thing of buying options is you don't have to be completely right with where the market is going. Look at that. Look at our trade. We entered here. It closed here. That's what? Barely. Let's see. That's barely 1 pip, guys. That's look how small that is, guys. That's some 0.001. No. 2. Is it 2.3? 2.3? 0.002.3, I would say, in our favor. And look at that, we made an 87% profit. Now that's a good thing about buying options, guys. In the forex market, in order for you to make this kind of profits, you have to, price has to move in your favor a certain amount of time, like a certain space, so about 10 pips, 30 pips, 40 pips before you make a lot of money. But of course, it also involve risks as well. So if you put one lot, 10 lots, depending on how much you're willing to risk out there. Now, with the good thing with binary options is you can start with as minimum as $10 with IQ option. But guys, if you want to take this seriously and actually start making some decent money with binary options, you are going to face losses, guys. So what I would say is, if you're brand new to binary options, use a demo account. It's free of charge. I'm using a demo account right now to show you guys, demonstrate the strategy. It works on demo as well, because that IQ option is not as one of these scammy brokers. They're a very, very good broker. They withdraw. When you withdraw, guys, I'm telling you, it comes like this. They give you a withdrawal straight away. Well, not straight away, but within three working days it comes in. It's actually less than that, because I made a withdrawal, I think a few weeks back, and it comes in very quickly. It came in, I believe it came in maybe 2 days after. The good thing is, once you become a VIP member, you can actually call them up, and they will send you your account like literally within the hour or within 24 hours or so, because it takes a process. You can withdraw through Skrill. There's some other ones you can withdraw through Skrill, or and some other ones, I think PayPal as well. I'm not too sure, guys, but they can withdraw straight to your bank account as well, which is good. You can start up with $10, which is I would say it's good. But if you want to make some money, I would advise everyone to at least deposit 250. And with that 250, don't start trading with £2 or £1 per trade. But before you even think of depositing, guys, listen, guys. Before you even think of depositing in your trading account, right? Demo trade as long as you need to. Listen, guys, if you're brand new to buying options or even trading, right? Email me. I will give you the strategy. I would actually go through the strategy a bit more thoroughly, because this is just a kind of a demo sort of